Hey guys, today I am participating in a fall collaboration hosted by Miss Cheryl's Place, Style Design, and Everyday Living with Karen Jeter. And this is a fall unboxing and decorate collaboration for 2019. So if you want to see what I'm going to be unboxing and how I'm going to decorate an area in my home, stick around. I'll be right back. Okay, if you're new to my channel, thanks so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. And if you get a chance, don't forget to hit the subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out on other uploads that I do. If you enjoy lifestyle videos, decorating, cooking, DIYs, and hauls and gardening, this is the place to be. So we will get started on unboxing, more like uncrating. I have a lot of stuff, so let's get started. I'm going to move this chair out the way, and some of this is Halloween, so I'm going to move some of that out the way. Let's see what's in some of these boxes. I'm not sure what I'm going to decorate my area, but I want to see what I got in these Halloween crates. And they're all in the way. So we going to take a few things out. Oh, look, this is a Halloween tree I made last year. So we're going to put that out there. Let's see what's in these things. Probably more Halloween than fall. So, yeah. I don't know where I'm going to put all this stuff. I guess I have to put it on my table. It's a nice little candle holder. So I'm just going to take stuff out. Take stuff out and set it around. And then when I get to the fall stuff, I'll show it to you guys. More Halloween stuff, y'all. I don't know if I have much fall. I just love Halloween. So this might be more of a Halloween unboxing. Alright, yeah. I really need to get rid of some of this stuff, but the hoarder in me can't do it. I'm gonna move up so y'all can see me. I know y'all don't want to see me. Oh look, guys, this was a pumpkin that I painted. Really cool. And my poor dining room table here is packed with stuff and some other stuff. So I'm still trying to find fall. I haven't come across anything yet. Maybe this little pumpkin. I used to do ceramics, but they don't have no ceramic shops anymore. Oh, hey guys, I think I found something fall related. Look, the scarecrow that I painted. Isn't he cute? So that is fall. And they put him on the table here. Try not to break anything. Get some of this out. Have more room. I'm gonna try not to make this video too long. But y'all see all these boxes I got? Look. I bought him at a garden center about 20 years ago. So that tells you what kind of hoarder I am. What else we got in here? Light, another key, candle holder. Another one. I have 4 of those. I don't know why. And let's see what else we got here. Another candle holder. So, back in there. So, that's one crate down. Let's see what else we got in the next one. I think it's mostly the orange and black ones are mostly Halloween. So I'm gonna go on the other side and move that crate. Ooh, smoking. Alright, I'm moving this out of the way because that's sneaky. I got these skeletons here in my way. But let's see what's in this crate. Oh, I forgot about this. I got this for $2 last year at Big Lots. I'm gonna take that out. Okay, let's see what's in this crate over here, down here. Okay, I got some candles. Can you guys believe that for, I don't even know, 20, well, I don't know about this one, but I know for sure this one, I've had him for about 25 years or more, and he has been in the attic every year, and he has not melted. So I want to melt him every year, but I don't do it. And this one I know I've had for at least 15. Isn't that crazy? We got a bat. Oh, okay. Look at this. I had this and I painted it, and look, the 3 witches in the cauldron. Let's go up a little bit. Isn't that pretty? Okay. Hey guys, here's another one that I painted. I don't think I quite finished him, but he's been painted for about 15, 20 years too. Look. That was when I used to do ceramics. Don't you just love them? Isn't he cute? I gotta paint his scar. Okay, look guys, I finally found some fall stuff. And I know there's some more stuff in somewhere else, but look at these pretty pumpkins that I got a couple years ago, and I think these, I don't know. I think these came from Ross as well. And then I have this cute owl, mercury glass owl, that I'm going to decorate with. Isn't that cute? And let's see what else is in here. 2 other pumpkins I got. Probably got these at Ross. This one is kind of cloudy looking. I'm not sure why. We got those. I'm gonna put these out. So that's the other one. I think that's all that's in this box, but I know I have more, probably Halloween and fall stuff. Okay, guys, okay, this is the little area that I am going to decorate for fall, and I will be back to show you how I set it up. Okay guys, this is how I decided to decorate this little table here. I used my little scarf from the Dollar Tree, the checkered, and then 2 candle holders and my owl, my mercury glass owl, in this basket that I put together a while back. I just pulled it out, fluffed the bow up, and put that there in the center. And over here I've got 2 of the other mercury glass pumpkins that I had, and 2 little pieces of corn that I got last year from the Dollar Tree. So if you like this fall unboxing and decorating, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.